US indices continued the bullish momentum today as well, where we have seen both the S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow, all the three staying strongly bullish. We have seen US 500 moving towards the next milestone at 5980, while the Tech 100 at 21,400 and US 30 at 43,340. But I can see the US 30 has reversed and erased all the gains and now trading in red, while the Tech 100 and S&P 500 are still struggling to break on the downside. What to expect now with the US session from these three major indices? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first S&P followed with Nasdaq, India, and Dow. Watch. See, SP has hit as 5980 levels, and you can connect the dots. You'll find higher lows and higher highs here. Now if you see, it is staying below 5940 zone. This is going to be the prime support zone. These two levels need to be taken on the downside. Below these two levels you can expect more bearishness prevailing here. So if you see, it is staying below 5952, 5945, 5940 zone, you can just say that the bears are back, else it is still staying bullish, delivering higher lows, higher highs, forming a good flag formation. Moving averages are also trading with divergences, staying bullish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD also has crossed over, showing signs of bearishness here. The RSI has also seen a good dip here. Also look at the preceding three candles, 597072 and 5980. These are the two levels. As you recall, I have mentioned in my first update that these are going to be the prime resistance for the day. Indicators have started to cool down. Certainly it's a sign of bearishness. Coming to on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, it is very important for S&P to trade below these levels, that is 5945, 5940. Only and only if these two levels are taken, you can look forward to a greater correction, where 5928, 5918 levels to be seen very soon. Right now it is trading in this nice bullish channel and delivering higher lows, higher highs. So now it is very crucial for it to trade below 5945, 5940 zone. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD trying to converge. The RSI is coming out of the overbought zone. Good sign supportive of further bullishness here. Look at the 3 hour chart. Similar observation. See, first thing is observe the lower highs. Thus, it is important how it behaves, because see, it is now a hurdle which it needs to break past by, which means any break beyond 5972 and 5980 is a clear sign that the bulls are taking the charge here. Else I can see a breakout here will be a confirmation of bearishness, which can take it towards 5900, 5880 zone, which should be the strongest support zone. Stochastic dropping here. MACD trying to converge. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. On the 4, similar observation here on the 4 hour chart. See, one big bullish candle trying to retrace. Let it stay below 5945, 5940 zone, and we are looking forward to a greater correction towards 5920, 5900, and in fact lower levels. Now if you notice this, it has formed a very good rise, and this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. The support levels of this channel are towards 5900, which should be an extremely strong support. The stochastic overbought, MACD trading with extreme divergence, and RSI overbought here. Coming to the daily. Now see, look at the daily charts. What it is doing is rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. If you connect the highs and the lows, you can see the highs are now beautifully connected almost, and the lows are also now beautifully connected. So this is the zone where it is going to get maximum resistance. It is very crucial for S&P to trade beyond 6000, 6020, and 6000 40, 50 levels. Only and only if it trades above this zone at 6050, you can say that this is reversed. Else I can see it is staying in this bearish channel, which means today it could try to erase some of the gains and can move towards 5920, 5900 levels. Stochastic rising. MACD here is rising. This is the only sign which is making me worried, because see, it is crossed over at the bottom and it is looking upwards. RSI flat. So looking at this now, I'll recommend you to sell here at 59.52. Expect 59.44.40 as the very strong support for the day. 59.32.28 as the next, and then 59.20. If it trades below 59.20, stay short for 5900 and lower levels. On the upside now, I'll recommend you to buy at 59.70-72 zone. Expect it to move towards 59.80-85 as the first target zone, 6,000 as the second, 60, 16, 16.18 as the second, third, and then beyond that, sky is the limit. Stay bullish for 60.35, 60.40 zone. Chances for which appears to be less, but these are markets. On now, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. Before we move to Nasdaq 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Look at the hourly charts for Tech 100, higher lows, higher highs. This is the zone that is 21,200. It has to break below 21,200. Only and only if it trades below 21,200, you can expect that the move should be very bearish. We can in fact expect it to move towards 2120, 21080, and 21,000 levels. So 21,200 is going to be the prime support zone for the day. Also look at these three candles, 21,280, 300. Now this is the support. So once it breaks below 21,280, you can expect 21,250, 240, and then below that 21,200. The stochastic looking down, MACD crossed over, trading with divergence, increasing bearishness is seen. So increasing red candle we may expect here. RSI coming out of the overbought zone on the 2 hour. Similar observation here on the 2 hour chart. See, it could erase all the gains from this candle, which means it could move towards 21,200. And now once it trades below 21,200, you can expect more bearishness, and I will expect it to move towards 21,20,080 and then 21,000 levels possibly. Below 21,000 is where the bears are waiting. Yes, the indicators are trying to cool down a bit on the smaller time frames. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation, but you can see this, it is shying away from breaking below the lows here, which means it needs to now trade below 21,280, 21,240, and then 21,200. If these three levels are taken, we are looking forward to a greater correction. Else, right now, it is trading bullish. See what has happened here? After every retracement, it is giving a bigger bullish candle. So yes, it can again deliver a massive bullish candle here. Be mindful of this. Stochastic trying to come out of the overbought zone. MACD bullish, RSI overbought here. Coming to the on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. There is a possibility that we can see Nasdaq 100 erasing the gains from this candle, which means we can expect Tech 100 to move towards 21,200. There is a possibility. So yes, if you see it is staying below 21,280, you can take a selling entry. Moving average is converging here. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely divergent and bullish. RSI at top. Coming to the day, what we had seen in the S&P, same is getting replicated here on Tech 100. Drop retracement, drop retracement, drop retracement. If you connect the highs here, these are almost beautifully connected, and the lows are beautifully connected as well, which means it is very, very important for Tech 100 to now trade beyond 21,500, 21,600 zone. This will confirm a complete reversal, and then 22,000 levels will be seen. Right now I can see a bit of swings here, and it is possible that it can stay in this zone and then tomorrow again deliver a bullish candle. Be mindful of this. Why? Because see, this is coming from after a bit of consolidation, it has shown a stronger breakout. Now today where it closes is going to be important. So any drop below 21,200 should bring more bearishness towards 21,100 and 21,000 levels, and below 21,000 levels we are looking forward to a greater correction here. Stochastic rising, MACD is on the verge of a crossover for buy, RSI rising. So before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at the charts, I'll recommend you to buy here at 21,360, expect 21,385, 400 as the first target zone. And if this is taken, 21,440, 450 is the next. Remember, once it breaks beyond 21,440, 450, I think 21,510, 21,600 are going to be the next targets, and which are going to remain easily achievable. I think the day is going to be difficult for Tech 100 for such a strong rise on the upside. I'll recommend you to sell at 21,280, expect 21,250, 240 as the first, and then 21,200 as the second. If 21,200 is taken, stay short for 21,120, 080, 040, and 21,000. Below 21,000, a greater correction should be on the way. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow US 30, finding a wall at 42 or 43,340 levels. You've seen it reversing sharp here, and now it is on the verge of breaking below the critical support at 43,100. So once it stays below 43,100, stay short. Remember, the neck has narrowed, so the move is going to be extreme on the possibility will increase below 43,100 levels, that we may see 43,000 and 42,900 levels, which are easily achievable levels here. Let's see if it gives such a stronger move. And remember, once it stays below 42,900, chances will be very, very high that it may erase all the gains from this candle moving towards 42,700, 650. Stochastic dropped, MACD crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped here. Coming to the 2 hour charts, I will look forward to a drop here which can take the prices first towards 43,000, and at that point I will decide which direction it's going to take. Possibly we may see 49, 42,900 or 800 as well. But right now I can say the bears are almost absent. Thus the selling entry is only below 43,100. This is going to be the prime support zone for the day between 43,000 and 43,100. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is just crossing over, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. This is thus the first candle. It could trade like this for a while from here, which means more bearish candles should prevail here. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation, and the current candle, look at the preceding three candles, flat top here, means the current candle is going to be extremely bearish, which can take the prices towards 43,000 or 42,900 levels as well. Be mindful of this. The stochastic dropping here, MACD trying to converge, RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. And on the 4, the observation is more or less same. See, just right now it is delivering higher lows. Let it stay below 42, 43,100, and then I will expect 43,000 and 42,920,900 and 42,800 levels as well. Anything and everything is possible. If it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp as well. Moving averages crossing over here is a good sign for the bulls though. Stochastic dropping here, MACD trading with divergence now, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the daily. Now see on the daily charts what US30 has done here. It has formed a double bottom, and what it has done today as well, it has formed a double top. So double top is what you are looking at. It has erased all the gains from losses from here. It has come down to the same position today. Again it has formed a double top, and now it is trying to erase. Now if it is seen trading below 43,000, you can say more downward pull will be there here. If it trades below 43,000, you can expect 42,900, 920 and 42,800. Below that it can in fact erase all the gains. But right now I can see the stance is not so aggressively bearish here. While on the upside now you know that 43, 300, 350 is the only zone above which it should be turning into a buy here. The stochastic overbought, the MACD is divergent, the MACD is bullish, it is rising here looking upwards. It is a sign supportive of further bullishness. RSI is flat. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 43. See, I will only recommend you to buy at 43, 300, 340. That is the only level above which I will be bullish. Else, I can expect a little retracement. But right now, the bears are not so aggressively bullish here. So, yes, you can buy here at 43, 220 levels. Expect 43, 260, 300, 340. Now, if it is seen trading beyond 43, 340, 350, stay bullish for 43, 500 levels this time. Possibly 43, 500 is nothing. In fact, it can move towards 43, 650 and higher levels as well. Though I'm not in support of this, but yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. On the downside, a selling entry now at 43,100. Expected to move towards 43,040, 43,000, 42,900, 920, and then 42,800. Below 42,800, chances will be high that 42,650, 710 should be there. Though I do not expect it to deliver such a stronger correction. But yes, these are markets. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow before the Asia session. We have the China data getting released tomorrow. That is what we are waiting for. It is also going to add lot much of volatility into the prices here. Trade accordingly. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.